day, my name is Micaela Espinosa. I'm grade 11 student from UMSD St. Luke. So now, my task is to make a short video presentation on expressing the relationship of speech context and speech styles. So here I go. Speech context refers to the setting where communication process is occurring. It will help the communicators in determining how to express their sentiments and opinions in an environment-sensitive way. It can be intrapersonal, where the communication takes place on your mind setting, and also it can be intrapersonal, where you can exchange message to others. Speech style is a patterns of speaking, characterized by distinctive pronunciation, vocabulary intent, participants, and grammatical structures. So, the relationship between these two types of speeches is on how we deliver our messages or speeches. Combining these two perspective speech will result to an effective communication. By this, the speeches help us to achieve communicative competence out in the future when we might have to make speeches. Since speeches are part of communication, therefore, it can help me in my daily life. Like for example, as I do know this video, in expressing and explaining the relationship between these two speeches, even though I am not very proficient in delivering this video, just I'll try my best to deliver it clearly and properly, so that I express the relationship between these two speeches. I hope that I point out the relationship between these speeches. Thank you, and may God bless all Marians. Praise be Jesus and Mary.